Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Uttar Bhadrapada Nakshatra that falls under Pisces zodiac sign. Okay, the symbol of this nakshatra is that of a twin snake, and the deity Devata of this nakshatra is Ahirbudanya, the dragon snake headed god, and the animal of this nakshatra is a cow. Now this nakshatra is kind of an unshakable nakshatra. The base of the structure, this nakshatra is very strong, while the head part is, as I said, the dragon-headed snake, which is submerged under water. So very stable, unshaky. Such people are very, unshakable in their thought process. They cling to their orthodox thoughts, mentality. It's difficult to shake their beliefs. And I've seen paradoxal nature in this nakshatra. Let's say somebody is very much material, very wealthy person. There will be inclination or calling for spirituality. And let's say somebody is very spiritual. Will be inclination for materialistic things. So paradoxal nature associated with this nakshatra. Now if any of your major planets fall in this nakshatra, Uttar Bhadrapada, you can use such themes like snake-headed god, dragon. Okay, even in Chinese mythology, you find the evidences of dragons. Okay, some dragon theme, some cow theme. You can keep such pictures in your phone's wallpaper, desktop wallpaper, etc. You can feed cows once in a while. Okay. Now we come to the DNA part of Uttar Bhadrapada Nakshatra. This nakshatra has moon karmic registry, Chandra karmic registry. Bharani, Magha, Jeshta, Uttar Bhadrapada, these are the 4 nakshatras that have moon karmic registry. And the Karak Tattva of moon are mother, emotional, psychological issues, and food related thing. Now we find that Uttar Bhadrapada is the birth star of Lord Vishnu. Some texts say that it is the birth star, Uttar Bhadrapada is the birth star of Lord Goddess Lakshmi. But the actual nakshatra of Goddess Lakshmi is Ardhara Nakshatra, whereas Uttar Bhadrapada is a nakshatra which belongs to Lord Vishnu. The birth star of Vishnu is Uttar Bhadrapada. And as I told you, this carries the karmic registry or curse of Chandra Devata, moon god. And moon is the attribute of mother. So in all the Vishnu avatars, we find that there is a quarrel or there is a dispute with the mother. In the Krishna avatar, Devaki is the real mother, but the mother who raises Lord Krishna, the foster mother, is Yashoda. In a Ram avatar, the stepmother sends Rama to the forest. In Parashuram avatar, Lord, Parashuram chops off his mother's head on the recommendation of his father. Okay, so in every of the Vishnu avatar, there will be a fight or a quarrel with the mother, and whosoever belongs to this nakshatra, Uttar Bhadrapada, there will be some issues, there will be some problems with the mother, some quarrels, some young age death, young age separation with the mother. Emotional, psychological, moon is emotions, okay, emotional, psychological issues very prominent in their family, okay, and some food related business, somebody owning a ration shop, somebody owning a kirana shop, such things will be very common with this nakshatra, Uttar Bhadrapada. So if you want to know more about DNA astrology, stellar astrology, nakshatra based astrology or Vastu Shastra, you can contact us at Maharishi Astrological Center. My contact number is 9503596761. Thanks a lot.